Hello BeeBusinessBee fans and welcome to a special BeeBusinessBee video. You may have noticed that I've been away for a while. Well, that's because I've not been too well. I'm still probably not the best at the moment. However, hopefully getting there. But what I want to say was, you may have noticed that on my subs counter, I'm nearly at 10k. Just 18 more to go as I'm writing this. Now, what I would love you to do is get me to the 10k. Because when I get to 10k, it's giveaways time. I want to give away some BeeBusinessBee merch. And I want to put all my subs into a draw and hopefully see if you can get the chance to win yourself some merch like this. For example, my BeeBusinessBee mug, which I know you love. So what I'd like you to do is share this video. Make sure you click subscribe to the BeeBusinessBee channel and try and get me over that 10k. Let's try and make April the 1st the day that we can get ourselves over 10k on BeeBusinessBee. And we'll be buzzing for business. That's what I want to hear. And obviously, until next time, remember to keep buzzing. And I'll hopefully be back in the future when I'm feeling a little bit better. And also with a special 10k giveaway. See you next time.